Hey guys, in this video I'm going to answer the question of how many credits can I have in my Audible account. And basically I've signed into Audible on Google Chrome. This is my account up here. I'm subscribed to the Audible Premium Plus membership. And basically I pay £7.99 per month to Audible to continue my membership, and for that every single month Audible will add 1 credit into your account balance. And you can see up here I currently have 4 credits available. However, I know for a fact that I stopped using Audible for many months and I forgot about it, but I was still paying for it every single month, and I thought I was going to come back and there would be 7, 8, 9, maybe even 10 credits in my balance. But when I got back there was only 6. However, I was paying for the 7th month, the 8th month, the 9th month, and the 10th month. So I've now looked into it, and basically I found this article about credits directly from Audible. If you scroll down here, I'm going to link this article down below in the description. You can see right here, how many credits can I have? And then it tells you for each different membership plan that you're subscribed to, this is how many credits can you have maximum, or the total amount of credits in your account at any point in time. So this is the membership plan that I'm on, Audible Premium Plus, 1 credit per month. And you've got the option of having 6 total maximum credits in your account. The next one is Audible Premium Plus, 2 credits monthly. You can have 12 credits per month in your account balance. Next one is Audible Premium Plus, 12 credits annually. You can get 18 credits per year. And then you've got the 24 credits annually. And you can have 36 credits per year in your account. So I'm going to go back to the homepage of Audible, and you see in the top right it does say 4 credits available. If you actually wanted to buy more credits or add more credits into your account, you're not able to do that if you're above 2. Like on the Premium Plus membership, you can only add credits into your account if you're down to either 1 or 0. So if this number is either 1 or 0, you can come here, hover over this section of the website, and then it will have a drop down and you'll be able to actually purchase more credits and add more credits onto your account. But as I'm on 4 credits available right now, I am not able to add any more credits to my balance. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.